뭐 설명할래? 내가 좀 할까? 내가 그러면 프래그먼트 읽고 내는 읽고 프래그먼트 말고 내가 보고 내가
그래서 런치는 무슨 문제나? 이거는 그냥 위생이기 때문에 안 되는 거야. 저 1번 풀었어? 저 한번 2번 한번 봐줘. 저 거기 안에 있는 런칭이 동사야. 그 지금 원래 주어진 문장이 DC야 뭐야?
Alright, Jooan, Youngjin, you guys are up. Alright guys, we're gonna put everything down. If you have not finished, it's okay. Hajun, Sejun, we're gonna pay attention. Alright, let's give them a round of applause.
Okay, should we start?
Yep.
Okay, so since like armed with new tools for the manipulation of genes and proteins, vaccines are devised by scientists fighting everything from food poisoning to cancer. Okay, so the thing I want to point out is that this is just a fragment, so there should be an IC in here.
프래그먼트 아니라 we mean the dependent clause.
DC, so DC. So there should be an IC after, but if we see the B, then this doesn't contain verb. No verb, so it is also a DC, so it's fragment. So it could not be the answer for this.
Okay, and if we see A, armed with new tools for the manipulation of genes and proteins, vaccines are devised by scientists fighting. But I mean, it can be the answer because it's an independent clause, but it should not be the answer because vaccine is not the one who is armed with new tools, right? But so whenever sentences like armed with new tools for the manipulation of genes and proteins, the subject here should be matched with the armed, this thing right here. But vaccine is not the one who is armed with new tools, so we gotta trash A and B, like Youngjin said, and here also. E is not the answer because the fight is not the one who is armed with new tools. So we are left with C or D, but I think it's pretty much the same meaning overall. But I think the D is the answer because scientists are the ones who are devising vaccines in order to fight. Scientists are devising vaccines to fight. It's the same, but I think is redundant because we don't need to put these ones, the ones who are. I mean, for example, I am the one who like basketball. I like basketball. It's the same, but the first one was redundant. But so we are going with D.